Got this little old buck easing up here in the back. He's wanting to get up here to this feed block. I just went out there and filled up these little bird bath waterers. And now he's wanting to get back up here to this feed block. I could see him standing out there when I was filling up the waterers, watching me. Now that I'm back in the house, and he's still a little bit iffy about coming on up there at that block, but the block's just right there. He ain't got far to go. He's almost there. But he's looking good and healthy too. The little buck's finally getting up here a little bit closer. He's been easing up for like 5 minutes now, trying to get up here to this block. Like he's finally gonna get up there and get him a good taste. That doe that kept running him off, evidently he's gone now. Well, he finally gets what he wants. Get him some of that Antler King Granite XL apple flavored feed block. All right, if y'all liking this kind of content, please hit the like button, subscribe, share the video, leave me some comments about what you think about these deer coming up in the yard. I'd love to hear from you. All right, thanks guys.